Hello guys, so welcome to the next video in which I am going to explain the detailed solution of GATE Biotechnology year 2019. Remember the word 2019. I have already discussed question paper of 2020. You can watch my videos in the same segment. So now going to the first question. The first question is the fisherman dies. The flood victims owed their lives were rewarded by the government. Okay. So in this sentence, few things are important like comma here and here, right? So this can be read like the fishermen were rewarded by the government. Who there there are several thousands of fishermen, but few fishermen who served during the flood. The people owed their lives. The flood victims owed their lives to those fishermen, right? So those fishermen were rewarded by the government. So now, what is the correct answer? See, the fishermen to whom the flood victims owed their lives. So, flood victims owe their life to the fishermen. To the fishermen. So, to whom represents object, object of the verb or preposition, not the subject. Means whom is acted on, like subject plus verb plus object. Then subject does the job, but job is done on object, right? So to whom is the right answer. Now some students were not involved in the strike. The statement is some students were not involved in the strike. If the above statement is true, which of the following conclusions are logically necessary? So necessarily true. Yes. First conclusion is some who were not involved, sorry, some who were involved in the strike were students. Maybe possible, quite possible. Yeah, but it is possible, not necessarily true, because the statement above statement is asking about not involvement and it is about involvement, correct? So this is possible, not necessary. Remember, no student was involved in the strike. Again, this is possibility, not necessary. At least one student was involved in the strike. So all these three sentences are talking about the involvement. And the statement is about not involvement, correct? So these all three are possible, not necessary. Fourth statement, some who were not involved in the strike were students. So yeah, it's true. Like some students were not involved in the strike, or some who were not involved in the strike were students. So the word some is there. Not involvement is there. So yeah, fourth is right. So option is option A and 1 and 2, no. Option B, 3, no. Option C, 4, yes. Option D, 2 and 3, no. Correct answer. Now, move to the third question. So it is the radius as well as the height of the circular cone. Circular cone is increased by 10%. So this is the circle, then a cone is raised above it, and this is the height, this is the radius r, and the radius r is also increased to, yes, 10% and 10% here. Okay, and the height is also increased. Sorry, let me erase. Yes, so 10% is this one. Quite right. This is the 10% of h. Right. This is the diagram. I will make the diagram in proper way. So, what is the percentage increase in its volume? Now see, circle, and this is the cone, right? Height h, radius r. Now change the color, radius change to r dash, height change to h dash. Hmm? So h dash is 10% increased. Yeah, remember. So the height h will be there, but more 10% of, sorry, sorry, more 10% of h will be there, right? So it is, what is h, and 10% means 0.1%, right? 0.1 h equal to 1.1 h. Hmm? And similarly r dash is equal to 1.21 r, right? Just remember this result and this result. Now let me erase everything. R dash equal to 1.1 r, h dash equal to 1.1 h. Now this is given. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. As these are constant, we can omit this, but let's don't omit this. Now see, the volume of this is the volume of the initial circular cone. Now v dash is the volume of new circular cone, 1 by 3 pi into 1.1 r, uh, sorry, square into 1.1 h. Oh, sorry, let me erase something. I'm using my smartphone, so screen is small. Yes, pi 1.1 r square into, um, again I'm making mistakes, to 1.1 h, right? So it is 1 by 3 pi r square h into 1.1 whole cube, right? See the formula of v dash and v. Just remember. Now erasing all. What is the formula? Percentage change. Change can be found as v dash minus v. Percentage change means with respect to the original one. Percentage change equals, sorry, percentage change equals to delta v by v into 100, correct? So delta, what is the value of v dash? You know the value of v dash, v, and everything. So you can just put simply and find the value. Just remember 1.1 whole cube is 1.331. I remember this, and you can just solve. You will get anyhow 33.1%. Now see, 33.1%. Now moving to the second question, sorry, fourth question. Fourth question is five numbers 10, 7, 5, 4 and 2 are to be arranged in a sequence from left to right. Left to right, following the direction given below. The first direction, so yes, they are the number 10, 7, 5, 4, 2. So as per first direction, the possible arrangements are no two odd or even numbers are next to each other. So see this. This is one possible arrangement. This is even odd. No, no, no. Odd together. So this is not possible. 10, 7, 4, 5, 2. This is one possible arrangement. Yeah, I know there are many possible arrangement. So you can see this. Sorry, there are three possible arrangements, and as per directions, I have omitted uh, every single and found the real answer. But let's take one um, possible arrangement here in for the explanation. And second direction is the second number from the left. Second number from the left is 7, right? Is exactly half of the leftmost number. This is the leftmost number. So the other possibility is 10, 5, 4, 7, 2. Correct. Now the middle number is yes, third. 4 is exactly twice the rightmost number. Rightmost is 2, so 4 is twice the rightmost number. Yeah, fine. And which is the second number from the right? From the right, 2 and 7. 7, 7. 7 is the correct answer. Yes. See, this is the right arrangement. Now go to the next question. Until Iran came along, India had never been dash in Kabaddi. Option A defeated, B defeating, C defeat, D defeatist. So now, see, here is the word had. So whenever you find had, hmm, we should use V3. The verb is defeat, and V3 of defeat is defeated. Defeated is answer, and the sentence is already in passive voice. Hmm. So had been is together. So right answer is defeated, and you can study more about the passive and active voice. That is not necessary for your GATE exam. Not much necessary. The working or the practical mm, mm, spoken English is knowledge of the spoken English is right for the GATE. So I'm explaining till fifth question and up to now. In the next video, um, I will explain the next five questions. Till then, thank you.